red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and use red color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
B for ball,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
C for
Q, R, S,
cat,
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
D for dog,
My ABCs. Next time, won't you
E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
J for joker,
L, M, N, O, P,
K for king,
T, U, V, W,
L for lion,
Y, and Z. Now I
M for moon,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
N for nose. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's now you draw 9 and use green color. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
14. Kids, now you draw 15 and use blue color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
15,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
16,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
17, 18, 19, and 20. Think it's black color, dark pink color, red color, dark blue color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, dark green color, light pink color, brown color, yellow color, and light green color. It's now you draw A. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. It's now you draw H and use light pink color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, and N for nose. It's now you draw O and use purple color.
Next time, won't you sing with
O for octopus. P for parrot.
A, B, C, D,
Q for queen.
H, I, J,
R for rose.
N, O, P,
S for sun. T for teacher.
U, X,
U for umbrella.
now
It's now you draw V and use orange color.
won't you sing with me?
V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. The last one is Z for zebra. Yellow color. Dark green color. Dark pink color. Dark blue color.
D, E, F, G,
Orange color.
I, J, K, L, M,
Black color.
Q, R, S,
Red color.
U, V, W,
Purple color.
Y, and Z.
Brown color.
I know my ABC.
Light green color.
Next time, won't you
Light pink color. And last one is sky blue color. It's now you draw 1.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
1. O-N-E 1. It's now you draw 2 and use brown color.
I, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
2. T-W-O 2. It's now you draw 3 and use purple color. 3. T-H-R-W 3. It's now you draw 4 and use light green color. 4. F-O-U-R 4. It's now you draw 5 and use red color. 5. F-I-V-E 5. It's now you draw 6 and use orange color.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
6. S-I-X 6. It's now you draw 7 and use dark pink color.
time, won't you sing with me?
7. S-E-V-E-N 7. It's now you draw 8 and use black color. 8. E-I-G-H 8. It's now you draw 9 and use yellow color. 9. N-I-N-E 9. It's last you draw 10 and use dark green color. 10. Red color. Yellow color. Black color. Green color. Blue color. And brown color. It's now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. It's now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. It's now you draw O and use black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use green color. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. It's now you draw one and use red color. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's now you draw 8 and use yellow color. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's now you draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use black color. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's now you draw 20. The numbers of 20 and use green color. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's now you draw 25. The numbers of 25 and use blue color. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And lastly, draw 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.